Hello, my name is Jerry. I'm with IES Residential, Las Vegas Division. For today's purpose, we're going to show you how to change the battery and reset the chirping carbon smoke detector or smoke detector. In order to accomplish this, the first step is to identify the detector that is chirping. After identifying the chirping detector, locate the reset button and depress the button for 10 seconds. Once completed, the smoke detector should reset. If it is still chirping in 60-second intervals, then it is telling you to replace a battery. You replace a battery by locating the battery compartment. The battery compartment will be located on either the front, side, or back side of the detector. If it is in the front, then this is how you change it. If it is on the side, this is how you replace it. If it is on the rear, you will twist the detector and pull it down. After changing the battery, you then depress the reset button for 10 seconds. If the detector is still chirping after changing the batteries and resetting the detector, you will need to call your friendly builder service representative to schedule service.